And now our feature presentation.
In 1995, Honda took their iconic flagship car for the everyday man, the sports car for the everyday man, the Integra, and they put a badge on it. They put a badge on it that was deserving of the kind of innovation that went into making that regular road car into something special. That badge was called Type R. A couple of years later, they branded their Honda Civic with the same badge, the Type R. A brand in its own right, a brand within a brand that has become synonymous with a celebration of what the manufacturer, Honda, is able to achieve at the highest level of motorsport. They took their Formula One success, repackaged it, and put it in the hands of the everyday man and gave him a sports car for the everyday man that was able to deliver something that we now call the power of dreams. Type R is a manifestation of that legend. The power of dreams is in our daily drive today. Today, we have two gracious owners of the new Honda Civic Type R, the FK8, brand new demon of the streets, the envy of many car enthusiasts. Two of them are here at Dover Raceway today. We're going to put them through their paces. We're going to see if the power lives in the dream that is manifested in these two cars. The newest icon in the series of legendary cars is here, and we're going to put them through the paces and we're going to see what the outcome is. So stand by as we go on track. We check out the cars inside and outside, put pedal to the metal and do some, we're not quite going to burn any rubber, but we're going to come pretty close. But we're going to find out what this car is all about. So stand by. The Honda Civic Type R is here at Dover Raceway. In our hands, we have two examples of this fine machine, the newest in its lineage, an icon that has manifested itself in the FK8, new and current model of a legend of the street. Put it through its paces, we see what it does on the track, and we're going to find out if this really is the power of dreams. So I've been owning or driving Type Rs since the late 90s. I owned my first Type R Integra, a DC2, from back in 1998. And I have fallen in love and been driving or owning Type Rs ever since then. My current car is an FD2 Type R, which I thought was the most brilliant Type R yet. It's better than the DC2 in every respect. Better than every previous model Type R of any generation. It's a very good car. Matter of fact, it's such a good car, the FD2 Type R, that I put it in league with the best of anything that is put in the regular man's market. I really believe that, and I've proven it. I've always been willing to challenge anybody with a generally stock production car at the track and feel like a Type R can hold its own against any of them. The Evolution, the STI, you name it, I don't care. There's a challenge there for the Type R. And I thought that was a pinnacle, until now. This is a beater for the FD2R. The FD2R holds its own against anybody else, and this would comfortably beat the FD2R. That's not an easy thing to do. And because of that, I have left the track here today with a big smile on my face, because this car has delivered every single thing that I would have expected and a little bit more. It's better than the FD2R in every which way. It's faster in a straight line. It's tighter around the corners. It brakes better. And by the way, the FD2R is one of the best braking cars in the normal man's category that I have ever driven. Brakes better than any Evolution, any STI, any you name it, the FD2 brakes better than it. And this FK8 brakes better than the FD2. It's faster than the FD2. It turns better than the FD2. It corners harder, better G-forces than the FD2. It has better features than the FD2. In other words, it's better than an FD2R. And as a result, this for me is the new benchmark in the Type R lineage. This car is going to find a new home in my garage. So if I had anything to say about it, I will close it off by saying this. The car is brilliant. It's awesome. It's everything you would imagine. It's everything shown in those videos that you've been watching on YouTube. Take my word for it. My name is Leroy Spence. Most people call me Ice. If you're not in the market for one, you should think about it. If you are in the market for one, stop wasting time. Go out and get it, because they're not going to last very long. But this car is 2 thumbs up. Fantastic. FK8 Honda Civic Type R is in fact the power of dreams.
Hi, my name is Mohan, Senior Sales Executive at ATL Automotive Honda, and I'm located at Montego Bay Fairview in Bogue. And if you're in the market for one of these 2018 Honda Civic Type R, please give me a call, 876-550-8015. Thank you.
So, in closing, I want to thank all of you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I want to thank ATL Automotive for supplying this car that we used and tested today. I want to thank Jonathan Mohan, who brought his own personal FK8 Type R as well. I want to thank Basil for turning up and being our host here today. I want to thank Kedron and 876 Street. I want to thank all of you for tuning in. If you like what you saw here today, like and subscribe to this video, and wait and look out for more content from 876 Streets. So from Jonathan, from Basil, from ATL Honda, and from 876 Streets, I'm Leroy Ice Spence. Like and subscribe below, and see you in the next video coming up.